Your NBC 26 Storm Tracker forecast with Chief Meteorologist Chris Still.
Our forecast headlines for the next several days. In fact, the rest of the week calling for a beautiful day out there on Thursdays, turning a little bit cooler for a change. Weekend rain chances come back into the picture, and temperatures are going to stay near average, and that's going to mean high temperatures mainly in the mid-80s. On our live tower cam out there tonight, a lot of blue skies, really a beautiful evening out there, but it is warm. Temperature right now is 87 degrees. Humidity right now all the way down at 28%, so it's cooler than yesterday and a lot less humid. North winds tonight at just 8 miles per hour. Around the area right now, a little cooler in Aiken, but plenty of sunshine there. You're at 82 degrees. Our warmest weather down to the south in Louisville and Swainsboro. Both places still finding yourself with 90-degree temperatures tonight. But again, with the humidity a lot lower, it certainly feels a little cooler out there today compared to yesterday. Here's a look at what we're tracking on our satellite picture. There's a stalled out front to the south, and toward the end of the week, we'll be looking for this warm front to lift to the north and bring some moisture into the area. All this big heavy rain here, I don't think it's going to be that scale of moisture, but we'll have a chance of rain toward the weekend. In the meantime, this area of high pressure is going to pull some mild air down from the north. Our winds today from the north and the northeast, so that high of 88 compares to a 50 up there in Cleveland, and that's where our air will be coming from for the next couple of days. So rather than up, our temperatures are going to be headed down slowly but surely for the second half of the week. Here's our forecast tracker for the next couple of days. We'll take you through the overnight hours, and we'll wake up tomorrow morning with temperatures in the mid-50s. Plenty of clear skies. Winds will shift to the east tomorrow, and that's going to bring a little moisture in off the Atlantic Ocean toward the afternoon. Temperatures in the mid-70s at midday tomorrow. And then as those winds do shift to the east, I think we'll have at least a few clouds tomorrow afternoon. Temperatures right there in the low to mid-80s by 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Clouds really increase by Friday as winds shift even more to the southeast, and there could even be a few spotty showers on Friday, but about 20% chance, and then we'll increase that to about 30 for the weekend. Our forecast for tonight calls for a 0% chance of rain, but it will be a nice cool spring night. The low temperature of 59 in Hepzibah, 55 in Augusta, and 56 in North Augusta. For Thursday, mix of sunshine and cloud cover, a very nice spring day. 84 the high in Grovetown, 84 for McBean, and 81 the high over in Aiken. Here is your 7-day forecast. We'll bring in a few showers for the weekend, but we're talking 30% chance. So by no means a washout for thunder over Augusta coming in this weekend. Looks like high temperatures in the mid-80s. So Paige, we're not going to have a lot of sunshine, but on the other hand, there won't be too much rain either.
Hopefully those showers will be in and out.
Yeah, mostly in the afternoon, I think, too.
All right, thanks, Chris.
And welcome back on another very warm May evening. Today's temperature is about 5.5 degrees above average. The high 88, the low 63 was actually 7 degrees above average. Record high 97, but that happened all the way back in 1886. Storm spotters reported another warm day out there today, but cooler than yesterday. It was 86 degrees in Grovetown, 90 the high in Thompson, all the way up to 94 for the high over in Wagner, and a little cooler down around McBean with a high of 88. Lows this morning right there in the mid-60s. Around the CSRA, we had a lot of sunshine in Barnwell this afternoon. That took you to 88 degrees. Same thing in Waynesboro, but there's your average high at 84. So even though it was cooler today, it was still warmer than average. No rain fell out there today, so our rainfall deficit climbs a little closer to an inch. But so far, May has been just as dry as April was wet, with a deficit just for the month of about 3/4 of an inch. Our forecast as we hit through Thursday, it will be a cool start in the mid-50s. Afternoon clouds, 82 degrees. There's your boating and fishing forecast. Looks like an east wind tomorrow at about 8 to 13. Paige?